Okay, so hello everyone. So I wanted to make this really quick video over how to do proportions. Um, I don't think I've ever done a video like this before, so it might help a lot of people, with their algebra, or just preparing for algebra really. So, proportions are really just fractions, like solving a proportional, relationship is really just kind of like fractions, right? Um, you get more into these once you get to like rational equations where you have to do even more complicated proportions. Um, but for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with this. I'm only gonna do 5 of them in this video because I don't want to make it too long. Um, I want to make it as simple as possible and as quick as possible. Um, So let's get started. So the first one that we have is 40 over y equals 35 over 42. So what you're going to do is something called cross multiplication. A over b, if a over b equals c over d, then that means that AD, so a times d, equals b times c. So we're going to do that exact same process here. So if we write it down, 40 over y equals 35 over 42. We get 35y, that's this part, equals 40 times 42. And if I grab my calculator, I can go ahead and simplify 40 times 42. So that's 35y equals 1680. So then you divide both sides by 35 and you get 48. So y equals 48, right? You do these especially when you get to geometry, once you do like, I think they're called similar triangles. When you do like proportional relationships between two triangles. I'm not gonna really get into that right now. The main idea is to just know how to do this. So the next one is 1 over 5, so let me write it down. 1 over 5 equals 6 over x. So again, you're going to do the same thing. 1 times x equals 5 times 6. You're going to have x equals 6 times 5. So 1 times x equals 6 times 5. That's x equals 30. Okay? And then 15 over x equals 7 over 3. And you can always check it to make sure it's the correct answer. But you don't have to, because these are actually the simplest kind of rational equations that you can have. Yeah. So they are rational equations, but they're very simple proportions. You just have to solve for a variable. So this one is 7x, so we have 7x equals 14 times 3. This is 7x equals 42, I believe. And then divide by 7 on both sides, we get x equals 6. Okay? And then the next one we have is 30 over 4. So 30 over 4 equals y over 2. This becomes, so 30 times 2, that's 60. And then equals 4y. Or we can say 4y, that's this part, equals 30 times 2. It's this part. And then we divide, so then we have 4y equals 60. So then we can divide both sides by 4. And we have y equals 15. Okay, and then this one, we have y over 28 equals 12 over 21. We have 21y, so 21y equals 12 over 28. So then this becomes, so we have, let's see, so 12 times 28, that's 336, so 21y equals 336. And then, so we have 336 divided by 21. We get that y equals 16. Okay, guys? So those are the problems that I wanted to go over for now. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please let me know. Please like, comment, and or subscribe. Also, guys, please, if you could, please join my Discord. So it's actually over here on Algebrainiac. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, if you could please join my Discord, and I will get, and you know, you can request, and then I can, you know, basically you can join it, and we can all, so that you guys can get some information on all of this stuff here. So you could access it, and I will post a link in the description down below. And yeah, so with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and or subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.